Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video I will show you good example how to use zoom feature in the roadmap. Also we'll see some problem what we can get with zoom feature. So I added my slide to this roadmap, insert, zoom. I recommend to use slide zoom. I can choose this one, but I am using I think 99% slide zoom. Now I will choose, for example, slide 6, 7, and 8, and now I will choose not consecutive slide. I will choose, for example, this one, slide 15. Okay, so I just put them here, no problem. So I can, for example, make this one here. Don't worry about the content, huh? Just to show you the first thing. Now, what you can do, here it is not necessary to get the thumbnail of the slide. No, it is not necessary. You can change this thumbnail. Yeah, how? Just right click and here change the image. Okay, and put your image. For example, you can put as a number 1, 2, 3, or the desired image that you want to make in your roadmap. Okay, it is very powerful. Also, now I will put my slide here. It is the last one, this one. So this one here, no problem. This one and this one, I put it here. This and this one from here. So small. Okay, and this one I put it here like this. Okay, now it's very important when you click to the zoom. Look here, if you go to the zoom effect, sorry, good, I'll come back. Let's come back. Oops, I do it again. So here, if I go to the zoom, look now something. I don't know if you see it here or no. Yeah, now we can see it. When you click to the zoom menu, you have this number 6, 7, 8, and 15. Remember, in the previous slide here, I have got some problem. Here, I said when I have clicked this one, it is the last one because it is the last number. It is the same thing here. That's why I want to create this slide. Here, when you click to the zoom, you must come back to the zoom menu, and you have the number 6, 7, 8, and 15. These three slides are consecutive. There is no problem. But this one, it is independent. And here there is problem with PowerPoint. Look, so let's make it. So just reduce it again. I have the resolution just to see the number like this. Now, when I play presentation, look, the first one. So I will go to the second, third, and the last one. Look here. It is not the next slide. Here is the problem with the zoom here. If the slide are in the same order, you can't do it. You can't add the zoom feature between them. It must be consecutive between them. Consecutive, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, or etc., etc. Okay. If there is some difference between in the order, the zoom doesn't work. So how you will resolve this bug? You can resolve it using a trick that I am using. If I need to have separate slide, it is not necessary to have consecutive slide. Okay, so how I am resolving this bug or problem in my presentation? So I will start again the presentation, and here So I can do it from the beginning, go, and here when I'm in the last slide, before to jump to the next one, where this, I mean the slide is separated than the previous one. There is no order between them. Here, what I will do, I will push the button left. Oops, sorry. I will do it again. I'll do it very quick. So I go directly to here. Here, when I am in the last slide, I will push the shift button and the left, okay, to come back to my roadmap. That was how I'm using. Okay, and now I can click to my slide to see it with the zoom feature. Okay, so I repeat. If you want to resolve this problem, click in the shift button and the left to come back to your roadmap and click again to your desired. If I click to the right, jump directly. So if I make shift and left, I come back to my roadmap or my slide. It contains this zoom feature. So I hope that you have understand the problem of using zoom feature with non-consecutive slide. If the slide isn't consecutive, you can use it. So here is how to resolve this problem. If you want to do it in your roadmap, just push the shift button and the left button to come back to your roadmap or your slide that contains your zoom feature and click to the desired slide. See you in the next video, inshallah, to continue with this zoom and morph feature. Maybe next one I will talk about morph, because I have I think make more video about zoom than morph. Maybe the next one I talk about the morph, but I am trying to show you different things that we can get with the zoom and morph feature, and to show you also the problem that we have with these two feature. To not have them, it is very important, and how to resolve them. See you in next video, inshallah. If you like this course at this moment, subscribe to my channel, please. Faisal Azib. Follow me on Instagram, teams.winners, and faisal.chico. In Telegram, new practice and share. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.